Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to make a sticky add to cart button appear only after user scrolls down the page in Shopify GemPages. By default, the sticky button is always visible, but with a small tweak, you can make it show up at just right time, improving user experience and conversion rate. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. First, uh, we will search for sticky add to cart and we'll put it in the end of the page. Okay, so let's remove all of this. We don't need them for now. We can remove this. Sorry, we will only keep the add to cart button since it's an advertorial page. So we are going to remove all of this. Remove this as well. We need to remove this variant source and let's make it one column and make it um, let me see what we can do. We have to make it one column, right? It has two columns, but we need one, right? Let's not do this for now. We can do it later. Okay, now we will write put a condition in the add to cart button. Okay, it will always show. Okay, then what we are going to do, if we see the preview, let's hide the bar, we can see the add to cart button is always visible. Okay, so now we will add some code snippet so that it's visible after scrolling some of the page from top, and then the add to cart sticky add to cart button will be visible. So what we are going to do, we will put custom code snippet at the bottom of the page. Okay, then we will click on the code, then we'll go to GitHub repository. I will share the repository with you, this Shopify GemPages repository, and it has a folder. You will see sticky add to cart on scroll. So we'll copy the JavaScript code from here. We'll copy it from this raw file and put it in the script section. Then we'll go to the style CSS, copy and paste it in CSS section. Okay, then save it. Okay, then we'll select the sticky section again. Make sure it's sticky section. Then we will go to advanced. We'll put a class name. The class name will be this one, GemPages sticky etc. Okay, let's put it here, save it. Okay, now if we reload the page, at first we will not see the add to cart button. Okay, when we start scrolling, then it's visible. You cannot see it, but it's actually visible. You can see here it's overlapping this badge from GemPages, so it's visible. That's how you can do it. But if you want to tweak something like how much scroll a user need to show or display the add to cart button, Then you can tweak it from the custom code we have entered. Let's go to the custom code. Let's go to the script. You can see here 600. You can change it to 500. Then a little bit lower scroll will be required for displaying the sticky add to cart button. That's how we can tweak it. Okay, let's save it. So I hope this video will help you to show the sticky add to cart button on scroll in Shopify GemPages. Thanks for watching the video.